Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of I Tried Making Money Online. So I tried this particular video that went viral on YouTube, and guess what? I tried that for today, and this is my observation. Did it really work out?
Ads, you will earn over $14.
Everything. Let's dive into the website. And if you've not subscribed or you're simply very first time, welcome to my channel. What we do here is talking how to make money online and offline business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Now let's dive into today's video. So guys, the name of this particular website is called Multiply Bitcoin Reward. All you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser and just type in multiply.com. It's going to take you to this page. All you have to do to register is your first name, input your first name, your email address, your password, and confirm your password, and click on I agree to terms and service, the privacy policy, and wherever. After clicking on it, you've successfully registered on the particular platform. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You just scroll this one and take you to the home page. So after, like, this is how it's going to look like after registering and successfully logging into the platform. There are different type of what's the code. It's even confusing at first, but if you follow the video, you're going to understand it. So you have to click on the shortest and the best play and the best match. Just check out the featured service. So I have to click on I click on this one, this water salt master 3D. Since I see the coin is actually much, play now plus 14 play now plus 14.3k coin. So I have to click on it. So it directs me to another particular website where I have to go and download the app from Apple Store. So I successfully downloaded the app on Apple Store. So after I downloaded the app, I actually tried to play the game, but it was not functioning. So I had to go back to the website and try out another task. So this is the page. I pick another task again, directing to another website. So this is the website. It's showing me this, and I'm kind of confused. I played the the video for a while, scroll down, scroll up, and then return back to the website if the coin will be added into my own dashboard. But behold, the coin was not added. So second day comes, I was like, okay, let me try it second day again. So I tried it again the second day. I picked another task, and it directs me to another website again as usual. Same thing, the coin was not added. I just see this thing as a scam, wasting of time, data subscription. It's not working. So that will be the end of today's video. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if it is. And also, if you've tried this particular website and it works out for you, let us know where you're chatting from and really how did it work out. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye, take care.